What's the meaning of Charing Cross Road? Charing Cross Road. Charing Cross Road.
Charing Cross Road. Charing Cross Road. Charing Cross Road is a street in the West End of London, known for its bookshops and literary connections. It runs from St. Martin's Place near Trafalgar Square north to Tottenham Court Road. The name Charing Cross comes from the fact that it was once the site of the Great Charing Cross, a memorial to Queen Eleanor erected in 1291. Today, the street is a popular destination for book lovers and tourists alike, with numerous shops and cafes catering to those looking for a good read or a bite to eat.